The exterior insulation finish system provides advantages, especially as it relates to the new movements that municipalities and governments are doing, challenging for buildings to be really energy efficient. I think that's something that we continuously look at. Newer building codes are challenging us more to make sure they're airtight and vapor tight and moisture tight, in addition to proper insulation for thermal protection. I think it's just an ideal system to make sure that the entire envelope from the roof on down is protected with a good durable system. I mean, we always knew that insulation on buildings was beneficial, but I think what we began to learn on this project is that it allowed us to create some of the aesthetic variations we were trying to do. It allowed us to choose pretty much any color or any pattern we want. Even with the brick, we could customize how much flashing is on the brick, how much red, how much brown, how much gray, yellow. We could sort of make it what we want it to be. And we realized that not only can we sort of customize our facade to make it look like what we really want it to look like, we then are also getting this added advantage of another inch and a half of insulation around the entire building, which, nowadays it's just an added plus. You can make it look like whatever you want it to look like. So whether it's, maybe it's applicable in single family housing, maybe it's applicable on high-riser buildings where the weight is a significant advantage. That played a part in our decision, even though ours is only 3 stories tall. But when you start thinking about taking brick up 3 stories, you have steel lintels and you have heavier foundations, and you need to think about your walls a little differently and structurally to support that kind of weight. And this is very light, so it seems like it's a very energy efficient and sustainable and flexible tool for architects to sort of do what they want to do, as opposed to picking one material or another out of a catalog and putting them together. And when you start adding up the other benefits that you might be able to get if you can incorporate the other components and get a single source, or if you've got a fast track project and you want to fabricate things and install them real quickly, if you want to get this full envelope warranty, there seems to be a lot of advantages to really think about it differently than maybe you used to, or maybe I used to.